Hi, in this video, we will evaluate the integral of sec²x times cosec² dx. This question can be solved in many ways, but in today's video, we will use basic properties of trigonometry and then integral of sec² and cosec². In the first step, we will write sec and cosec in terms of cos and sine. We know that secx can be written as 1 over cosx and cosecx can be written as 1 over sinx. So the integral can be written as 1 over cos²x times 1 over sin²x, or we can say 1 over cos²x times sin²x. We also know that sin²x plus cos²x is 1. That means we can write the numerator here, which is 1, in the form of sin² plus cos²x. So if I write the numerator as sin² plus cos²x, and the denominator is cos² times sin²x. Now, we can use the properties of fractions, that a plus b over c can be written as a over c plus b over c. So we can split these two terms as sin²x divided by cos²x times sin²x plus cos²x divided by cos²x times sin²x dx. Now, we can cancel out sin²x here and cos²x here. So the integral becomes 1 over cos²x dx plus 1 over sin²x dx. Now we know that, as we discussed earlier, that 1 over cosx is secx, 1 over sinx is cosecx. So using the same property, we can write this integral as integral of sec²x dx plus integral of cosec²x dx. And we already know that integral of sec²x is tan x and integral of cosec²x is minus cot x. So by using the properties of integral of sec² and cosec², the integral will become tan x minus cot x plus c. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. And to watch more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.